Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to upload bulk files using N/task module. Let me show you the idea what we are going to do. See, company is migrating from its traditional application to NetSuite. Now, company wants historical sales order data to be migrated in the NetSuite. Now, company has extracted 50 CSV files. The client has extracted 50 CSV files, and each file contains 25,000 rows, right? So now there is one technique is you upload manually one by one CSV file and wait. Once the previous is uploaded, then upload next CSV file. This is one technique. Although NetSuite has provided you to upload 5 files at a time, but 50 files is a bigger amount. Now, there is another technique. Put all the files in a folder and then with the help of N/task module, we will create a scheduled script. And then the script will pick one file at a time and then it will upload it on the NetSuite. So this is what we are going to do in this video. Now here is the code. We have taken the file ID that we need to upload. Then this is the CSV import task type. CSV import task type, we have to create a CSV upload profile, right? CSV import. We have already learned it in our previous videos. I recommend you to watch my previous videos. So we have created one CSV upload import profile, and then that mapping ID we will take, that profile ID, just like we take a saved search ID. So in the same way, we will take the ID of that particular profile. And then at the end, import task.submit. Now let's do the practical. Here I have done the same thing. Right now, my mapping ID is 281. In your case, it would be something else. Here is the file load. That is the file ID. Let me show you that file ID. Here is in the file cabinet 127789. 127789. This is the file ID. Then this is the profile ID that we have to upload the file with the help of this profile ID, right? So we create the profile and then import task.submit. Now this is all I have written for log.debug. Now since it's a scheduled script, so I have uploaded that script here. I will go to deployment. I will click on upload CSV automatically. Then I will edit this. And then save and execute. Now, if you see in the sales order file, 809 records are there, total 809, okay? Right now 809 and 2 records will be uploaded. Here is the CSV file that we are going to upload. Now see, PO 464646, PO 787878. So you will never see PO 4678 anywhere, right? Right now 809 records are there. And then refresh it again. Okay, it's done. Here 809, I will refresh this page and then it will become 80811 because 2 records we have uploaded. Let's see. Now see here. 2 records has been uploaded. This is the minimum information required for creating the sales order. PO 46 and 78. Now if I show you PO 46, it will take the serial number here, sales order, PO 46 and PO 478, right? So this is how we upload. Now since 2 records are uploaded, in this way we can upload 25,000 records also. We have to just put the files here. Now here I have done for one file. Now you try it with multiple files, and then if you face any difficulty, then you can put down in the comment box. I will resolve it. So this is how we upload the file. So this is most important because when we work in a live project, many times they ask to upload the historical data, right? So keep on practicing, and if you face any problem, then you can put down in the comment box, right? And if you have not subscribed my channel so far, so please subscribe for new videos. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.